Okay, another cool option, as soon as I can find it, right there. Trunk unlatch. Listen, you might hear it. Yep, vacuum operated. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it already sprung open. And lifting it up. Okay, it looks kind of ugly in here, especially up there. So the trunk lid, let me see if I can find it. Boy, it's hard to see this viewfinder. Okay, so we have surface rust. Very light surface rust. We've got tubes here. I don't know if you're from, how many people are aware of this, but under this hinge is a drain for these vents all along the back. And they go through this vent, and then the water drains down the side. So both of these vents, both of these drains are in place. You can see down there that there is nothing rotted out down there. Well, this is all nice and clean underneath this carpet. Well, what's left of it. And well, you can't see much over there. You really can't see much there. Okay, I've got a lens here for something. I don't know that it's missing on the car. The jack is here. No spare tire, unfortunately. There's a speaker. Here's an old transmission filter. And the base of the jack. Okay, that's it.